Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable microphone access in Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and select Settings in the drop-down menu. Under Opera GX settings, select this one Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. On the right, under Privacy and Security section, click on Site Settings. Then scroll up to this one Permissions section and click on this one Microphone option. By default, Opera GX allows sites to ask your microphone access. This one option will allow microphone, first one option, and in case you want to disable microphone access, select this one second option that says don't allow sites to use your microphone.